you start it? Right here we've got one of my patients. I'm a chiropractor. Just like to loosen up the tissue. Stretch them.
This is not going on the page, dude.
Oh, yeah.
Now we're going to adjust him. Make sure Dinky's head's not in there. He's a little out here in these upper thoracics. So, start there. Breathe in. That was just a mock thrust. Breathe in. Okay, we're going to move a little lower. Breathe in. And again. Might try for one more touch lower. Okay, breathe in. One more time.
Confusing.
This is a custom adjustment. He's done. Okay, you can cut it off.
You did get a little low guy there.
Yeah, I felt something go.
Just no sound.
Yeah. It was an adjustment, but no sound.